Alright, morning time. We just sleep all day, apparently. But yeah, that should have plenty of power. Let's see, we're going over there. Yeah. Oh, we want to get some dirt. While we're here, let's go check up on the quarry. Oh, we're not wearing the thing. Put that on. Alright. Boomp. How's this chest doing? Nothing in there. Oh, plenty of stuff in here. Let's go ahead and empty out this stuff with what we can grab anyway. Alright, got some cobble. Put this cobblestone away over here. Alright, want to keep going? Awesome. Now let's break the quarry and move it over here. Alright, so we're going to have to use a steel pickaxe. Perfect, comes to me. It's going to break that other chest, but it shouldn't break the one right above it. And there's nothing in the other chest, so that won't matter. Okay, so now that'll dig over there. Keeps 2 chunks loaded, so that will be good. Let that do what it's doing. Grab that. Or actually, we'll grab all the dirt, gravel, and cobble out of here. As much as we can, anyway. Should be a while before that actually fills up with stuff, but let's deposit all the dirt. Alright, so we got that. We'll grab the dirt. Stack should be fine for us for right now. That has plenty of power as long as it's loaded up anyway. We might need to use a chunk loader or something. Let's go on back. Oxygen collector is still not working apparently. There's no energy transportation. Oh, let me set it to receive. Okay, there we go. So that's working now. Let's bring that up, and we'll have it go from the outside. We're going to have to use other tools. Nope, go down, go down. Oh, we're going to outer space. Oh no, come on. Down we go, come on. I wish I could steer a little bit better. We want to take that off. It's like we have a jetpack now, but this thing is crazy. Alright, we want to go down. We don't want to go up into the middle of nowhere. Come on. Work with me here. We're trying to make a beautiful place. Alright, cool. Landed. Wonderful. Let's go ahead and... Alright. Well, let's build marble some more. Alright, stay still. Gosh darn it. Okay. We got some down. Alright. Well, let's go down some more. Perfect. Alright, let's grab this. Yeah, it's a little confusing to work in this environment but it's really cool too. So we also want to turn that off, and we'll work on this way. Huh. Now, let's place down some dirt. No, come on. Down, down, down. Or we can place dirt on the top of the space station. That'll be fine. We'll place some apple trees up here. No mobs spawn on the space station naturally, so that should help out a little bit. Alright, now do we have the... No, alright, let's go grab them from down here. Down, down, down. Now eventually they plan on having ladders work here, but it's not quite done in the current version of Galacticraft. Down we go. Voomp. Alright, cool. Alright, so we'll plant some on each of the corners, and we'll do right there. One in the middle right there. See which ones of these grow fastest. We don't have any bone meal on us, but I will connect this with right there. Right, energy transfer. Alright, so that seems to be coming fine. We'll want to have the oxygen collector be right there. Up, 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 up. Up. Down, down. Come on. Down. Oh, we got one working. Perfect. Let's link up the power. I guess that's not where the power is. Alright, there's the power. Let's see if it's getting any oxygen. Yes, it is. It's getting some oxygen. It's got power. Now we need to export the oxygen somehow. So let's take a look. Alright, come on, let's dig up the dirt. I think the pipe might be right there. Yes, it is. Now we're going to need a sealed oxygen sealer. Well, we need a pipe covering oxygen pipe. That's what we're looking for. A sealable oxygen pipe, which we just add 2 tin decoration blocks to an oxygen pipe. So we can do that pretty easily. Oh, look, I have 2 tin decoration blocks. Okay. I'm going to grab an oxygen pipe. Boom. I need a crafting bench, but that's okay. Let's grab some wood. Boom. Very important to have crafting benches in outer space, so you know what you're doing. Right, Tinker's Construct, crafting table. We'll just plop that right here for right now. Oxygen pipe, 2 tin decoration, sealable oxygen pipe. Seals blocks should be used where air cannot pass, such as base walls. Alright, so we're going to have that to be right there, so that we can have oxygen going into there. Be nice once we have ladders working. Cool. Let's make sure that works. Yes, now we should be able to transfer oxygen from there to there. So now, let's take a look at the bubble distributor, which we have somewhere. Okay. Now this might not be enough. Alright, bubble distributor. Let's put that down right over here. Power needs to go in that way. Alright, let's make sure first that it has oxygen one of these ways. Alright, so we need to have oxygen come in. Steel pickaxe. Boom. Alright, there's the oxygen pipe. Here's the power pipe. Alright, so what we can do, let's see if it connects on this side or the other side. Wrench. Alright, that's connected. Now power comes from this side. So we'll go boom, boom, and then boom. Power on. That should get us power. Okay, we'll turn that off real quick. But that should get us some bubble of oxygen, which will be cool. And eventually we can have a sealed oxygen environment in here, which would be awesome. So let's go ahead and sleep. You can only sleep at night. It's night. I guess it's not night in the overworld. That's okay. That should last us a little bit of time. But let's go up. Eventually we'll have this be a sealed environment, which will be perfect for us. Let's go down. Come on. Come on. No. No. Okay, so that still needs more oxygen, but we'll let that stuff grow, which should be just fine. You could also put some trees above here, which would probably help out a little bit. No, come on. Okay, cool. Yeah. Alright, let's build some more out of this base. Yeah. No! Okay. But, we'll build a floor part first to give us somewhere to walk on. I feel that everything's cool until we actually have to move off of the base itself, because that's when gravity sort of takes everything over. But the bubble was cool while it lasted, but we're going to need more oxygen, I'm thinking. That has power, but not that much for the bubble, so we're going to need some more trees. So let's move on up. Put in one tree sapling over there. See if that's far enough away. Well, probably not. Let's build off of it then. Oh, does the bubble work? There's another thing right there. Let's build this one out. Awesome. Let's build this out some more too. Alright. Okay. We're out in space. We're outside the bubble of comfort. Alright, down we go. Cool. This is a start at least. Now we won't fall off when we turn the thing on and off. No, the bubble's gone. That stinks. Is our power gone too? Or power's back on for a little bit. Gives that more power for the bubble distributor. Okay, fair enough. We can also hook up our backup power supply. So let's grab the advanced energy cube, which should be fine when we don't have this to power us. So we just have to make sure we put it on the right side. Okay, now we want to make sure that it exports power instead of... Alright. That's what we want, exporting power to the rest of the stuff. So that should give us our bubble distributor. Oxygen here, or use connected oxygen supply. Bubbles visible. We're doing fine. That's good. So that should last us a while. Well, we can also turn this on. We can also connect it to hook up and power. That'll be good for it. Alright, perfect. Now that's max powered. So that should refill that. But when this is out, then it should take energy away from it to power all of our supplies. So that will be perfect for those things. Yeah, cool. Now we could also close this off and create a sealed environment using doors that'll seal stuff, but will be okay for right now. There's the moon, I think. I don't know, it looks too bland to be the sun, but I kind of hope it's the sun so that we can have some more light here. Though, if the oxygen bubble is working, we should be able to use torches. So let's put down some torches. They're going to be very dull if the oxygen bubble isn't working, but if the oxygen bubble is working, they should light up just fine. Just like on the moon. But we'll have the stuff grow better, I think, here in a bit. Right now, we just have a little ambient light, it seems. That'll be a nice test to see how our oxygen supply is doing. Now I could use my oxygen tank to power the bubble for right now. How's power going up here? Alright, we don't have that much oxygen, but we have some, which is good, and hopefully those will grow to give us a better field of oxygen. Break these since the area is already filled, but we could. Alright, that may or may not be close enough. Okay. Let's plant some more. Daylight seems to be coming. Good. Good, good, good. Let's go down. No, come on, work with me. Down. Bump. Fantastic. But we'll just have to deal with these difficulties living in space. Let's even out the floor so this is equal to the other areas. Living in space is a hassle, but I think it will be cool. Eventually, I think there are these things called spin thrusters that we can use to rotate the space base, which would be cool in and of itself. How's our power going? Power's fine. Bubbles not so much. Let's go ahead and use our... Well, that'll be fine. But we will probably want to have the better oxygen supply at some point. Grab these. Oh no! Alright, we'll connect these with marble instead. But the bubble should be working better now. Oh, we have another tree that would possibly do it. Okay. Let's go ahead and grab our dirt. Is the wrench over here? Use our oxygen to push us a little bit. Alright, come on. Up, 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 up. Okay. Not too much up, though. Place another apple sapling over there. We need to place one over here, too. Shift down. Up. Up, 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 up. Come on, come on. It's a lot of me struggling with all this stuff. I can't wait until ladders work. Let's get our shovel. Cool. Up we go. Nice. We get some more apples. Floating in space. Build our apple orchard. Come on down. Gosh darn it, come on. Just land over here. Cool. Now I can walk and glide off of things. That's fine too. See which one of those will grow. However close we can get. But that will be nice in the night. Hopefully the torches will work better, which I think that they will. Anyway, let's head back home for a little bit.